Hey there, beautiful. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I am back with another wig show and tell, and today's wig is brought to you by Kiss Love Hair. Thank you so much, Kiss Love Hair, for sponsoring this video. And y'all, this video is long overdue, so let's get straight into it. When you order, they send you some goodies in the box. Let me show you guys what I got. There was a Kiss Love edge band, 2 invisible HD wig caps, a edge brush / comb, a cute happy smile mirror, which is really nice to carry in my wallet, a eyebrow razor that's useful to cut off the extra lace in the front, and a hairpin. And they sent these 3D eyelashes. And there was also a bonnet and a pink robe, which I will show at the end of the video so you guys can see what that looked like on me. The wig came neatly packaged in a long, clear Ziploc baggie. Here is a close-up of the inside cap construction. This wig comes with a 13x4 lace frontal parting space. Behind the frontal, there are 2 combs, plus another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. They also inserted a adjustable elastic band, so you get an extra secure, snug, flat fit, but it is removable, so you do not have to wear it. The cap is made on a light stretch fit, breathable cap material. And the lace is transparent lace. As for the hair texture, it feels like it's on the silky side, and the hair comes pre-styled. This is how the wig looks straight out of the package, and the curls that they used on this hair is supposed to be 3D body wave. So these curls is not like your average body wave. It's supposed to actually look a little better, in my opinion. Here's a close-up on how the hairline comes. The hairline comes very lightly pre-plucked. So first, I am going to comb out the curls with a wide tooth comb because I am going to customize the hairline. And I just wanted to show you guys what the curls look like after it was combed out. Compared to the average body wave that a lot of wig companies do, I really like how the 3D body wave curls came out in the end. And just a heads up, I will be using it in the end. So right here is how the wig looks on me, and I wanted to show a close-up on that hairline. The hairline is very, I don't know what's the right word, like dense. And I just feel like it needs more shape to go with my face, so I ended up plucking the wig off camera. Next, I'm using the Hair World lace tint mousse, and I pump some of this onto a paper towel. Then I use my brush and apply it underneath the hairline of the lace, and I only apply it to the spots that will be showing, so that is the parting space and the hairline. I also put a little bit of it on the right side, just in case if I was to do a right side part. All right, so far this is how it is looking after I applied that lace tint mousse, and I was debating if I should do a middle part or a flip over. And I'm not gonna lie, that flip over was calling my name. The lace tint mousse made a big difference, and the plucking did as well. The hairline that came before was just a little too boxy on my forehead, so I just like plucked certain parts so it could look a little bit more natural with my hairline. Hey there, beautiful. Now it is time to do the wig install on moi. And first I'm going to cut off that extra lace in the front. So I just use my eyebrow scissors and I start from the middle, and I just take my time and cut off the lace on each side. And when I'm cutting, I am cutting in little zigzag motions. I don't want to cut straight across because it will leave a harsh line of demarcation between the lace and the skin. So doing this just helps it look less revealing. Next up, I am using the Frontal Queen Melting Spray. And you guys, this is my new obsession to melt my lace wigs. Like, I don't know what kind of formula they have in this spray, but I tried a couple melting sprays, and so far this is the best I tried. I'll be sure to leave the link below in my description box. I actually bought it off of TikTok, so hopefully I can put the link. If not, I'll just find the website link, but you guys gotta try this. Like, it really helped melt the lace. So the first layer I just sprayed onto my skin, and then I laid the lace down on top of it, and the next I sprayed into a cap and I applied it with a makeup brush. After that, I'm going to use my blow dryer on the warm setting and just blow dry it until it's completely dry. I use the back of that rat tail comb to help tap the lace into the spray so I can make sure it's drying nice and flat onto the spray. While I was installing the wig, I took my time and laid down the lace onto my hairline. Well, actually before my hairline, little by little, piece by piece. Like, I just worked my way across with that melting spray, taking my time. If I was to wear this wig outside, I would actually wear it with glue and use the melting spray. But because this is a wig show and tell, I'm just going to use the melting spray. So right here is how the lace looks laid down after I use that melting spray. And like I said, y'all, check this melting spray out. Like, it's really good. So far, I rate it like a 10 out of 10 so far. I gotta keep using it, but so far, honestly, 10 out of 10. So here I am just using a wide tooth comb and combing out the curls that came with the wig. And I actually really like the 3D body wave curls, so I'm just going to leave it like that for this video. And then I'm going to cut down my little fake sideburns at the side. After styling, this was the amount of shedding hair that I got all together, and to me, that is on the low side. Okay, beautiful. So right here is my end results. And again, this wig is from Kiss Love Hair. And this is a gorgeous wig. Wow. On the website, this is called their Flash Shale Ash Blonde Hair 13x4 Transparent Lace Front Wig, 250% density. And one thing I love about this wig is how they did the ash blonde. Like, the ash blonde is so perfect. It's not like that yellowish 613 color. They did a great job toning the hair. Like I said before, the hair texture feels like a silky texture. I like the fact that I was able to slip the wig in the back and my tracks wasn't showing and you couldn't even see my wig cap as well. The hair density on this is 250%. But let's say the hair density is a little too thick for your liking, you can get it lower. They have 180% density and 150% density. The hair texture slash curl pattern Like I said before in the beginning of the video, this is a 3D body wave texture, and I really like it compared to that S body wave. I feel like it goes more nicely with the style, especially if you're a beginner and you don't want to curl your hair, then that comes in handy. You can even get this in a bone straight texture too. The lace is transparent lace, and I feel like it's good quality transparent lace. Once you get it to match your skin tone, it blends really nicely. The length of the wig that I have is 24 inches and my height is 5'6", but this wig is available from 12 inches to 32 inches. And I do feel like it is true to length. I also wanted to show what this wig looked like in natural lighting, and it's really nice. There's a lot of perfect tone ash blondes out there, and I just feel like this is one of the perfect ones that a person can get without doing all the work of toning the hair. I honestly like this wig. When I was styling the wig, I didn't get any tangles. As for shedding, even after customizing the hairline, the shedding ended up being really low. The only thing that I wouldn't say is too beginner friendly is if you want the hairline plucked, but you don't have to pluck it. I was just showing you guys what I did so you guys know how I got my end results. I also apologize for not getting the plucking part on camera. This is a ash blonde wig, so I wanted to make sure like I was focused on plucking it properly and not focused on getting a good angle to record it, and then I ended up messing up the plucking. It could still use some plucking and touching up, but right now I'm just showing you guys what this wig looked like so you guys can see what it looks like from their company for anybody that's interested. Also, a middle part with this wig is super cute. Not just the flip over, but the middle part rocks as well. So when you order, they send you the free gift of a silk pink bonnet and a silk pink robe, and the bonnet was very comfortable. It's a really nice gift, and the silk robe is just as cute as the bonnet. If I was to sleep with a bonnet on with this wig glued overnight or even for a week, I'm going to show you guys how I would sleep with this wig with the bonnet as well, so stay tuned for that. And just thank you so much for taking time to watch. If I can get a coupon code, I'll be sure to link it in the description box. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And like always, just thank you. Thank you. Thank you for taking time to watch. So right here, I'm just pinning up the hair with a hair clip. This is how I would sleep with it on vacation. And then I put the clip in, and I put the bonnet on and go to bed. Some people might sleep with that edge band, but I don't.